Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kali.Alexandria. Welcome to another vlog. So I'm just sitting on my floor right now and I wanted to make this intro to this video because I have another busy afternoon that I want to take you guys with me, and I am also going to be trying out a new hair tutorial, so as you guys could see in the title. But before that, I wanted to thank our sponsor. Thank you so much, Luisa, for sponsoring this video. So I have previously talked about them in one of my videos before, and I wanted to talk about them again because we are approaching the holidays. Black Friday is coming, holiday shopping, gift guides, all that stuff. I cannot believe it is almost the holiday season, and I absolutely love Luisa, and I wanted to share a couple pieces that I got from them. I know I had talked about them a couple videos ago and you guys absolutely loved their pieces and loved them, so I wanted to share a little bit more about them and their styles and how you guys could shop for your people in your life, your loved ones, because I think these pieces that they create are such a great Christmas gift and also a birthday gift. So any Christmas birthday gifts, you guys need to check out Luisa. But first things first, I want to show you guys the new goodies that I had got. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in here. Okay, so the first piece I got was this super cute heart necklace. It is the prettiest, cutest, daintiest piece, and if you guys know me, you guys know that I don't like super big jewelry. I like to be a little bit more minimal because you guys know I don't wear a lot of makeup. I'm not that type of gal. So the pieces that Luisa have, oh my god, so amazing. So I got this little necklace, and then I also got these earrings, which are so tiny and cute, which I love because, like I said, I don't wear really big pieces. I'm just completely obsessed with their little hoop earrings. Also, I got another pair of earrings. You guys can see these. So these are just some of the pieces that they currently have. So Luisa is great, so make sure you guys check them out in the description box below. So I will say there's no luxury markups, so if you're on a budget, this is perfect for you, especially for those Christmas gifts. I absolutely love that, especially to have a great quality jewelry for no luxury markups. But they also use the best noble metals, and their mission is just to be a sustainable brand, which I absolutely love, especially in today's world. And another thing to note is that they offset 100% of their carbon emissions, which basically means that they give back everything that they take, which is completely unheard of in a brand. So I'm so excited to be partnering with such a great brand with such a great mission. That means everything to me, so make sure you guys check them out. I will leave a link in the description box below, and make sure you guys shop for your loved ones because these pieces are so wonderful and will last a super long time. Check out all of their styles and let me know which pieces are your absolute favorite. But I wanted to thank Luisa once again for sponsoring this video. Okay you guys, we're doing something I have never done before. We're gonna try these hot rollers from Conair. So I saw a girl on Instagram do these and her hair turned out so fabulous, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it and see how it goes because why not? I need a new hair tutorial. I feel like I need a new look, and I loved the way her curls turned out, so we're gonna try it. Not sure why I feel like this is not gonna end well. So I read some of the directions, but they don't really give you too much information on how long to like hold the curl in your hair, I guess, or the roller, whatever it's called. So I'm just gonna wing it, and it definitely said keep the roller in for 10 minutes if you want a tighter curl, and I want a loose curl. So there's no way I'm gonna be able to get all of this hair in rollers. I have to like do one at a time. I don't know, but this thing is getting hot. It said to wait till the light turned white, but I think I'm just gonna do it because it's pretty hot. So I literally just, okay, well they're not that hot. Do I literally just grab one? How do people not burn themselves? Oh my god. Ow, that is kind of hot. So they did this and then went down, clipped it. right? I don't want to burn my hair off either. I'll do a smaller one. So you go and then up. Okay, let's do another one on this side. Okay, totally, you guys, if you have used hot rollers in your hair, please give me any of the tips. And I was also kind of scared because some girl on Instagram commented and was like, make sure you don't use the self-grip ones because apparently those like rip your hair out, and she almost had to cut her hair off. So that kind of freaks me out. So I don't think these are the self-grip ones. Well, we got some wave. Okay, so I kind of want to take one of these out just to see. Okay, well, I finished and I am definitely not mad about it. I really like it. It was actually kind of easy, and I could have definitely, I learned a lot for the next time. I could have definitely let them heat up the whole time and not be scared that they're gonna burn my hair and leave them in for just a while longer. But how pretty are these curls? I'm excited. Literally home with my dogs so much compared to the average person, and I feel so bad leaving them for a few hours. Like, the guilt is just unreal. Anybody else feel the same way? But now I'm just going to the gynecologist. Favorite place in the world. No, not really. I actually really don't like going, but it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, so happy to be alive and doing good. So yeah, but not excited that it's the gynecologist, because who really likes the gynecologist? You guys will be excited to know that I survived, I passed, and we're all good, and I'm in the KFC drive-thru now. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and thank you again so much, Luisa, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave them down in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed because I post Wednesdays and Sundays, and give this video a big like if you ended up enjoying it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.